All right, welcome back to the Skyline build series, ladies and gentlemen. The last thing you guys saw, we were pretty much ready to put the motor in. We have done a crap ton of work before I really started filming much, because I don't know, I didn't feel like it was that entertaining. You guys have already seen us put it together once, but I want to show you guys it now because we're getting pretty close and it looks freaking nuts. Oh baby. JMO's working on the catch can system. That's been a pain in the butt, to say the least. JMO loves it. It's his favorite part of the car. So essentially it's a double dash 12. We did these cool little banjos. You can see like that. So we're gonna build little lines to keep it clear of the wastegate. And then we'll just have that end capped off. And then this end will go right to the catch can over here, which we made a ton larger. This system should work pretty well. If we even need a little bit more, we could run the second line over or get an even bigger catch can. I think this system is gonna work. This is what we originally wanted. It was just a super pain in the butt to get put together like this because that catch can required a lot of modification. It's not exactly how we wanna put it on there, but it'll work. So that's good. I mean, literally, the engine's all together, all the wiring is in. We got the brakes on. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of this car, and then soon here, the dash is gonna arrive, so I'm super stoked to show you guys that. So if you guys are new to the build series, quick little rundown on the motor. It's an RB30, so it's a 30 bottom end. So it's an iron block 3 liter. The top end is an RB25 Neo head. So the Neo head is actually newer, a lot newer than the RB26 head, so it's supposedly better. 967 to the wheels at 30 PSI. We can go up to 40 if we want to, safely, but I don't think that will be necessary. We also have nitrous, and the nitrous is just there to help spool up. We don't have any on the top end. It's kind of like a crazy mid-mount, almost V-mount intercooler setup. And then the turbo is a G42 1200. Big ass intercooler. So that's kind of the motor in a nutshell. What's going on there? It's a sequential transmission. This is the Racetech Services 6XD. It's good for like 2,000 foot-pounds of torque. Last episode I was talking about how we had to go to a tilt and pedal set. It's pretty freaking sweet. Besides the dash and seats, the interior is pretty much put together. So you guys can kind of see the top of the pedals there. So we had to make that kind of custom mount from the dash bar forward, and then extensively modify the stock steering shaft. And then the pedals down there. Oh, so sick. Then you got fire suppression system. Handbrake still needs to go in, but it's just sitting there ready to go. So yeah, pretty much where we're at with that stuff. You guys saw the back end last episode. I guess the bash bar's on and a couple little things, the nitrous bottle mount. Bash bar is all red chrome. Probably won't get used, but it looks cool. And then the NOS bottle mount, red chrome on the blue, super sick. Also, we decided to paint the brakes. They were Part Shop Max, like kind of bronze, which I love Part Shop Max, but it just wasn't working. Makes them pop a little bit. Goes with the theme better. But from here on out, I'll film kind of more of the work because now we're doing some kind of more cool stuff. The car's pretty much back together, so let's do this. All right, couple of things. I want to show you guys underneath the car because we're completely done underneath. And we got the exhaust on, and the exhaust is black Cerakoted. You guys got to see it. Rainbow's throwing the last couple bolts on the exhaust. Look at the freaking... It's a pretty deep black too. The light like really brightens it up, but that looks so nice. So I don't think we showed you guys this on video yet, but we ended up extending the exhaust after the dyno day, seeing how much flames it shoots. So there's a tip that actually goes here and goes all the way out pretty much to the edge of the bumper. Even if the tip were to get crushed, we could take the rear bumper off and run it like this and be pretty safe. I'm pumped. We're getting really, really close. Look at the exhaust tip. Yeah, so before we had it turned down, like just kind of in this region. So this is gonna be a lot safer and really cool. Should be freaking sick. I love the color. God dang it. To tie it in too, because that was kind of a last minute thing. We painted the hood vent, the headlight vent, kind of a similar satin red. So I'll kind of tie it into the front, balance it out.
I just want to see some flames shoot out of it.
All right, guys, at this point, guys and girls, because we're inclusive here. At this point, I can't even remember what the last clips I filmed for this video were. Basically, after this, we have body kit, wrap, and livery. So that will be, next week will be basically the final build episode of the build process. But we're there, check us out. I'm like speechless. I'm absolutely speechless. Oh, you guys haven't seen that yet? Unless you follow me on Instagram, you have not seen that yet. Look at even the windows they're in. And they got fancy bolts. Doors are on. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to show you guys. The roof wing's on. Third brake strip. Whoops. Tail lights are on. Nitrous bottles in. Oh my god. This thing is just, it's next level, honestly. I'm like so proud of this thing. I'm proud of our team, all our partners. This thing is just next level. I'm ready to drive it though, but we still have one more week of final push, getting the livery done. Yeah, then we can go drive and get this thing shipped out. All right, I'm gonna show you guys inside real quick because it's nuts. All right, let's get up in here. Get fancy bolts. Got the seats in, handbrake, the dash, belts. Look at it. Look at the freaking dash. It's incredible.
Impressive. Very nice.
When the car's done, we'll do like a full tour. Again, I get better shots of everything. If you guys are wondering, that is authentic Louis Vuitton, by the way. So it's a Louis Vuitton scarf or shawl. Yeah, it's not like a Louis Vuitton stitch or fake material. I had some people on Instagram message me, where'd you get that material? And I was like, oh, Louis Vuitton. You just buy it from the women's section. All right, I am worn out. I'm done with this video. So stay tuned for next episode. We're gonna be doing the wrap, the livery, getting the whole body kit on, wheels. I mean, the car looks nuts, but the car's about to be like complete and look so sick. If you guys enjoyed this video though, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you wanna support further, haugenracing.com has our merch. All right, I love all you guys. We'll see you Monday. Peace out.